So whenever I bend some rectangle tube in the mandrel bender, one of the biggest questions I get is what is the material thickness change throughout the bend? So I figured I would test that in this video. So I have a section of 2x3 by 120 wall rectangle tube that I bent to 90 degrees, and then I cut the section here in half right in the middle of the bend. So we'll set this side to this piece to the side, and I've went ahead and just filed the edges on the inside and the outside so we get an accurate measurement. So I'm going to start on our unbent edge, zero our caliper here, and I'm just going to measure, this is 0.118, so 0.118, and I'll measure this side because the tubing is not going to be completely consistent, so I'm taking measurements on both sides. This is 0.110. 0.110. So then I'll rotate the tube around and we'll measure on our compression side, and it's 0.120. 0.120. And our stretch side, the outside radius, is 0.095. 0.095. So 0.110 minus 0.095, that gives us 15 thousandths difference, 0.015 on our stretch, and 0.120 minus 0.118, and that gives us 2 thousandths gained in thickness. So in a 90-degree bend on a 120 wall tube, the outside edge got thinner by 15 thousandths, and our inside compression edge got thicker by 2 thousandths. So just a complete transparent show of how much the material changes through the bend, how much is actually getting thinner. So hopefully that's kind of insightful into how much the tubing changes in thickness throughout the bend process when mandrel bending rectangle tubing.